how to use Amazon Smile to donate to charity. To use Amazon Smile, you want to visit the website here on smile.amazon.com. So head into smile.amazon.com, and once you head into smile.amazon.com, what you want to do is log in with your regular Amazon account. So it'll prompt you to sign in, so you want to tap on sign in and you want to proceed to sign in. So I'll just use my passkey and sign in here real quick. Then once you log in, you want to search for your desired charity, example Irish Channel Neighborhood Association or any others, and then select it. What you want to do is you want to proceed and select it, or you can change it from your account settings if you are already a user. You can. Then the next thing is to make purchases as usual. The prices and experience are the same as regular Amazon. So it's simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.